Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and today with the help of Leonardo we'll check this iPhone 11 without signal. How can we solve this fault? In today's video we'll see in great detail a very common fault in iPhone's devices. Normally it happens when we have a water damaged device or it has suffered a blow. After inserting the SIM card, the iPhone stays searching. We can spend half a day and the device doesn't catch the signal. Will not take long with the disassembly process, so before everything we have to remove the screws from the bottom part and we apply heat with the hot air gun. In this way we can soften the adhesive of the screen. Remember, and I will repeat it again and again, the visual inspection is one of the most important steps in the repair process. Here you can see signs of humidity. A successful repair consists of taking small steps and, with the passing of time, you'll be able to solve faults in very little time, taking advantage of the accumulated experience. We'll put the fast camera to disassemble the device. This is our motherboard and, as you can see, it has humidity. These faults are the most complicated because the mobile device works perfectly but the device doesn't pick up the network. A fair price in Spain for this type of failure is about 150 euros, depending on the experience of each one. To separate the motherboards, we use this tool. We apply a little isopropyl alcohol and we remove the foam protectors. In this way, this can be reused. We turn on the tool and we wait to reach a temperature of 220 Celsius degrees. In the market there are many tools to separate the motherboards. Some work at 180 Celsius degrees, others at 200 Celsius degrees, and this one has to reach 220 Celsius degrees. We can also help us with the flux. We can apply very little quantity on the sides. If at any time the upper part resists, we can support ourselves in the air station at 300 Celsius degrees. To separate these motherboards, we have to have a soft hand and not to make too much force removing it. Take care of it as if it were your newborn baby. If you follow these steps, you'll never have problems. After separating the motherboards, we use a ventilator to cool them. If you like this type of content, please give a strong like, subscribe and share it to continue with this project. Thank you. Now we go to the microscope for a detailed inspection. We can see that we have not lost any pad. With the passing of time, you'll not have this problem. Little by little, you'll pick up the tricks. Here we have corrosion, and for this reason we don't have any signal in the device. Then we'll inspect the lines. We use contact cleaner and a piece of cotton to sanitize the area. On the motherboard we have two areas with humidity. Using the same technique we clean the components well. With 2 or 3 repairs of this type you can buy a good microscope, and in this way you can generate a lot of money. A good microscope will make your job much easier. In the description of this video I will leave you some purchase links. We use a payment tool to observe the impedances of the water damaged components. In the connection pads we can measure these values without major difficulty. With the help of the tester, we check if the values are right. After verifying that the values are correct, we are going to join the two motherboards. Lately, I don't reball on the motherboard. I take advantage of the old solder lid. I just clean the edges with a little isopropyl alcohol and I apply a little flux. In this way, we are going to reactivate the old solder lid. I have tested in many devices, even in Android sandwich motherboards. Now we are going to join the two motherboards. For joining the motherboards, I really like this tool, which is much better than the others I have. The temperature that this tool has it is not very precise like the others, but the union system is very good and will never have a bent motherboard. We turn on the tool and we wait to reach 220 Celsius degrees. Will not take long with the assembly process, we go directly to the point. After reaching the temperature, we use the same ventilator to cool it.
Hola, te damos la bienvenida a Movistar. Con el fin de mejorar para ti la atención y la propuesta comercial, grabaremos y analizaremos esta
Guys,
llamada.
I hope you liked this video. He is Leonardo. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.